Hello, if you forgot your screen lock password on Samsung Galaxy S25, if you want to bypass the forgotten screen lock password, then unfortunately you will need to perform the factory reset of your phone. At this moment there is no other way to recover access to the phone besides factory resetting. And of course you will lose every data that you have on your phone, so I hope you made a backup in that case. And before we actually move on, because you will need to perform the factory reset in the recovery mode, in Android recovery, and therefore you will also need an USB cable and you will need to connect your phone to a computer. So let's connect the cable. And the next thing is, if you can actually turn off your phone right now, then you should do this right now, right? So we can go to the power menu by pressing the power button and volume down, hold it for like 2 seconds. Then over here we have power off. We can select this option and try to power off our phone. However, in my case, I cannot really turn off my phone because I need to enter the password. There is a workaround I'm gonna show you in a second. So if you actually can turn off your phone, then just do this. And after that, you will need to go to recovery mode by pressing the the power button and volume up button at the same time. So you'll need to keep holding it until you see the recovery mode. If you cannot turn off your phone, then we need to perform the force restart first, which can be done by pressing power button and volume down button. So press and hold both of these buttons, and we need to hold it until the device is completely off. Do not mistake it with the always on display, because sometimes after turning off we can see always on display. But once this screen is off, we can press and hold the power button and volume up now, and we should do this immediately. After the screen is off, quickly switch to those 2 buttons and then hold it until you see the Android recovery. And now over here we need to scroll down to wipe data / factory reset, which can be done with Navigate by using volume button. So use volume down in order to choose to go down 1 position, and volume up in order to go up 1 position. So go to wipe data / factory reset and then confirm your choice by pressing the power button, and then over here choose factory data reset. And this is how we can get the access back on our Samsung Galaxy S25. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.